7 reasons to start your day with lemon water. Lemons are high in vitamin C, as well as flavonoids, which are antioxidants. Antioxidants aid in the removal of free radicals from the body, which can cause cell damage. These nutrients can aid in illness prevention, as well as overall health and well-being. Here are some of the potential advantages of lemon consumption. 1. Lower the risk of stroke. The most frequent type of stroke is ischemic stroke. When a blood clot stops the flow of blood to the brain, this can happen. Flavonoids in foods may help protect against cancer and cardiovascular disease if consumed regularly. 2. Helps with digestion. Acid aids in the digestion of meals, that's why our stomachs are so full of stuff. Lemon acid may be particularly beneficial in supplementing stomach acid levels, which tend to diminish as we get older. 3. Reduce the risk of cancer. Some cancers may be prevented by eating a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Some observational studies have discovered that persons who consume the most citrus fruit have a lower cancer risk, whereas others have found no effect. 4. Immune system enhancement. Vitamin C and other antioxidant-rich foods may help to enhance the immune system's defenses against viruses that cause the common cold and flu. A relaxing drink made by squeezing a whole lemon into a glass of hot water with a large spoonful of honey is ideal for someone suffering from a cough or cold. Vitamin C supplements do not appear to lessen the occurrence of colds in the general population, although they may help shorten the duration of a cold. Vitamin C may also aid those who are doing a lot of physical activity to strengthen their immunity. 5. Keep kidney stones at bay. Lemon water can help people who are weak in urinary citrate avoid uncomfortable stones. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, making the environment less conducive to the production of kidney stones. In persons who have already experienced stones, a cup of lemon juice per day may be enough to help prevent stone formation. 6. Boost your digestive health. Lemons contain about 10% carbohydrates, primarily in the form of soluble fiber and simple sugars. Lemons are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that has been linked to a variety of health advantages. Soluble fiber can help to promote gut health and reduce sugar and carbohydrate breakdown. Blood sugar levels may be lowered as a result of these effects. 7. Provides protection against oxidation. Lemons, like many fruits and vegetables, contain phytonutrients, which help your body fight sickness. These phytonutrients have potent antioxidant effects that protect cells from oxidative damage, which is the same mechanism that produces rust.